Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering every income and deduction document you received. W-2s for wages, Form 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC for independent contractor income, and 1099 INT for interest income. Collect receipts for deductible expenses, including mortgage interest statements that may show 5000 charitable gifts, and Education 1098 forms. Retrieve last year's Form 1040 to confirm your prior adjusted gross income and Social Security numbers. Also have your government ID, bank routing and account numbers for direct deposit, and proof of health insurance coverage for the full tax year. Begin filling Form 1040 or 1040 SR. Enter your name, Social Security number, and filing status, then list total income and compute adjustments to reach adjusted gross income. Transfer wage amounts from W-2 boxes to the wage line and enter non-employee compensation from Form 1099 NEC and interest from 1099 INT on their specific lines. Decide between the standard deduction or itemizing. If itemizing, complete Schedule A with exact figures such as compute your tax using the official tax tables or software, then apply non-refundable and refundable credits, such as the child tax credit, to find your final tax liability. Subtract federal income tax withheld and any estimated tax payments to determine whether you owe or will receive a refund. If you owe, pay by the filing deadline to avoid penalties and interest. Choose electronic filing with direct deposit for the fastest refunds, or print, sign, and mail Form 1040 to the correct IRS address if you prefer paper filing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.